Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about one of the smartest moves you can make financially for your future. Building an emergency fund. I'll explain why it's so crucial to have one, how much you actually need, and of course how to start building your emergency fund. Let's get straight into it. So, what exactly is an emergency fund? It basically is just a stash of cash that you keep somewhere safe and don't touch unless there's an unexpected event in your life. And this unexpected event is not like some concert tickets going on sale and being like $50 off. No, this is for actual emergencies, like a sudden job loss and you need to cover some basic essentials, or maybe a medical emergency and you have to cover some medical bills, or maybe your car breaks down and you have to do some mechanical work on it. Think of this fund like financial armor. When life hits you hard, you're prepared and this armor protects you. Let's face it, most people aren't prepared. They're living paycheck to paycheck. So basically, they're using every single penny that they earn. According to a January 2025 CBS News report backed by Bankrate, 59% of Americans could not cover a $1,000 emergency expense, like a medical bill. That's more than half the population of the United States, just one unexpected event away from serious financial trouble. And here's one thing you probably heard: Murphy's Law. If something can go wrong, it eventually will. So the question is, are you ready for that moment? So now you might be asking, how much do I actually need? Here's my advice: start small. Aim for $1,000 first. Then build up to 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. These are like rent, food, utilities, and bills that need to be paid for you to survive, not Netflix or Uber Eats. Here's how to think about it. If you're single with a steady income, 3 months of living expenses should be fine. If you have kids, a partner, or just want more safety, then aim for 6 months of living expenses. If you want to go ultra safe, then aim up to a year of living expenses. Everyone has their own comfort level when it comes to financial safety. So these are just general guidelines. Do what makes sense in your situation and what feels right for you. If you don't have an emergency fund yet, don't worry. The key is to start, no matter how small. Even $10 a week adds up over time. Look for simple ways to free up money in your daily life, like maybe skipping one takeaway meal a week. That is like $40 a month right there. So where should you keep this fund? Ideally, it should be kept in a high yield savings account. It is safe, easy to access, and earns you interest over time, so you can keep up with inflation. The other option is a regular checkings account, but remember, that probably won't earn you any interest. Either way, the most important thing is to start now. No matter how small the steps are. What feels insignificant today will build up to something much more bigger in the future. If you already have an emergency fund, awesome. Let me know down in the comments. And if you don't have one yet, this is your sign to start. Even a tiny step puts you ahead of majority of the people, and your future self will thank you big time. Thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments if this video was helpful. Please subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one.